Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can change icon style on Samsung Galaxy M55 5G. So the first thing that we need to do is go to the settings. In the settings, scroll down and go to themes. Now in the Galaxy themes app at the bottom, switch to icons, and then you can switch, for instance, to tap. And here on the left side, switch to free in order to make sure that all these icons are actually downloadable for free. Then you can select the icons that you like the most, and then press download. Now if you are using this app for the first time, you will need to use the Galaxy account. You will need to set it up, but of course you can also use your Google account for that. And once you download and set up the account, you can press apply. Now let's wait a couple of seconds, and after that we should go back to the home screen, and as you can see we have a different icons. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos.